In an effort to stem the surge of undocumented migrants entering Meghalaya, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, led by Chief Executive Member Pyniaid Syiem, expressed a willingness to collaborate with advocacy groups possessing credible information on migrants operating without legal documentation within the Khadc's jurisdiction. During a press briefing on the 8th of December 2023, Chief Executive Member of the Council highlighted the challenge faced by the Khadc in monitoring influx due to a shortage of enforcement officers across all 5 districts of Meghalaya.
Te asu kwa ban pau kajing sokya habai kajing longjing man khamtam haka khai ka pateng hakani ka bigajungi hadien ba plai I lakat tu kat Nepal masin shimti yakani ka kam hang tai po district council kom ke executive committee bathmai ngila persyang ban wanra kijing kala khamtam habai dei bat kajing perking yaki trading license bat ki weki benta bakat kum ka an bala aibor hangi ling baka trading by non tribal regulation act ba kinu ki bar jela ki bamde ki khasi lada ki hab ban wan ban khai shakani kari ka jungi kinamla ban shu wan ban khai kat bamon klem dadon ki kot ki sla ki babet ki babiang nadu national hadu adis council te kani ngi I ka jingsham ka jungi nadu na themri boy khana para area banihat shadu shamajai ichamati ngi rung hasilong ru halaim khra nangta hapo yodu kabala arsien kabangila pha ban lek ban inspect te nakalang jungi kum ka executive committee kwa ban penpau ba watla dangi dunai ka manpower leni kata ka bor terikam ke jungi ki staff ke jungi habai dei baka enforcement kumbalong haka trade enforcement ngi dantang kumba nyophungut te bat nyophungut ngi habban pek ya santali ki district naduk karibhoy district ka East Khasi Hills district ka West Khasi Hills district nangta ka Eastern West bat ka South West te takadaw umla hiba man kapor ngin late ban tokit lani ban late inspection henry ngim shong thait pat.
Addressing the alleged absence of Khon-Contain Nyotrep Association members during a recent inspection of trading licenses at Barabazar, Chief Executive Member of the Khadc, Pyniaid Syiem, clarified that it resulted from a minor miscommunication regarding timing.
Megani kunhun ba mendai bandu mensim ada kimi kituki media ke benlong negatif henry yang syakmat mi syakmat bat yang be halor kanong rim ka bapidon ya ka bapi ya tenrong lang ya kata ka ya ka lingkor ka bakhya ka bangikit namta ka jet benri ko jungi te nga khot yaki syakmat badadon kan kanu nang ni syakmat ru ngin ya trailang te nga soban acknowledge lene ban ai khublei kerpang ya ka jing long balak loi jongki ban mi syakmat namar la jenjar menta hajat benri jungi kibrio basmukhya ban ya mi syakmat bunsien kila syia kran tang hayeng bunsien kila syia kran tang hidukan sha bunsien kila syia kran tang ha yo hahat henry ban mi syakmat ban ya trailang la duna so ban ong ban nang I Syiem na kaliang jonga kum Syiem bat ka executive committee bat ka district council libro kawai namta kum kini ki long kemi ki bami ban ya trailang bat ngi namta ka bit ka biang jong ka ri ba ka jat benrio namta ka bit ka biang jong ka khai paten jongki jat benrio khasi ki jongi